In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a secondary domain in HubSpot. Connecting a secondary domain is an important step if you're managing multiple domains within your HubSpot account and can enhance your ability to manage content across different sites more efficiently. Let's dive right in to ensure you know exactly how to complete this process seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot's user guide. Start by launching your favorite web browser and heading over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your HubSpot credentials to access your account dashboard. After logging in, locate and click on the Settings option, typically found as a gear icon in the main navigation menu. This will lead you to the Settings menu where you can adjust various configurations for your HubSpot account. Once inside the Settings menu, your next move is to click on the Content section. The content settings are where you manage your website and blog content within HubSpot. It's essential to be familiar with this section as it contains important information and settings for managing your site's appearance and behavior. After you've entered the content section, the next step involves selecting domains and URLs from the sidebar. This is a crucial part since it's specifically designed for managing your domain settings. Here you can view all the domains connected to your HubSpot account. This includes your primary domain and any additional domains you might be utilizing for your business needs. It's where all the magic happens for connecting and configuring domains. Now, with the Domains and URLs page in front of you, locate the option that allows you to connect a secondary domain. Clicking this option is the beginning of adding another domain under your HubSpot management. The platform will guide you through the necessary steps to properly configure and connect your secondary domain. During this process, HubSpot might prompt you to adjust DNS settings or verify domain ownership. These are standard procedures to ensure that your domain is set up correctly within the platform and that you have the proper permissions to manage it. Be sure to follow any additional instructions closely, as incorrect settings can affect your domain's ability to display content properly. Once you've completed these steps, your secondary domain should be successfully connected to your HubSpot account. This connection allows for more flexible content management and marketing strategies, empowering you to engage with diverse audiences across different domain spaces. And that's it. A straightforward way to expand your HubSpot domain capabilities. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.